Okay, welcome, and this is the official unboxing of Wally the drone. It arrived all the way from the US. It came courtesy of, who is this? Darren Gens. Some of you may know him more famously as Abs, and Abs because he tends to be shredded AF. Now, this box has been well wrapped, I assume, by Darren. In fact, annoyingly well wrapped, because I'm not even sure where to begin. But here we are. So, the whole point of sending it via Darren in the first place was to avoid paying this. That is the VAT, or the tax, that it costs to bring this thing, Wally, he has a name, into the country. Now, unfortunately, we did have to still pay the tax, but at least Wally is here in one piece, as far as we know. This is a lot of effort. Oh, nice wrapping. Pink. Suits Wally. He's a boy, so pink is appropriate. Now, okay, what do we have? We have lots of fun. Oh, okay, so first things first, we have the technical support. I'm a male, I don't need that. I'll just wait till it breaks. We also, in here we have the SD card, which I bought because I wasn't sure the speed required for the drone. And it's pretty big, but Wally does record in 4K, so, you know. Inside we have, the prized possession. Prized possession Wally. Come on, Wally. Ooh. Wally. You shouldn't have, you bad boy. But, it's nice. That'll be fun for later. For the adventures of Wally. Okay. So now it's time to be a bit more gentle. And everyone with love and care. With love and all the care. He might seem like just a little drone, but he has feelings too, and we want to be empathetic towards our future robotic overlords, as some say. So I read an interesting article about that actually, and one of the things I was saying, it's only The Economist, is that the reason we're afraid of robots is because we project our own oppressive ideologies onto them, thinking that artificial intelligence will have cares about power, coercion, politics, and the like. And quite likely, they won't give a shit. Okay, so we've got, what colour is Wally? Wally is Arctic White, because I thought it was cute. Okay, ooh, wow. Very nicely packed. So we have, I think this is actual Wally. He is that big, would you believe? Let's have a little sneaky peek. Don't to wake him up, he's probably been sleeping for a good month, which is how long it took to get here. Thank you, UPS and DJI. Wow, he is he is tiny. He's just a baby. Look at that. That is actually amazing. So you can see the drone folds up quite small. It's about the size of an iPhone. If I get mine, you can see it's pretty small, and it folds out. You see here, it's got the 2 front sensors, 2 rear sensors, and 2 bottom sensors. So he's quite cool. Let's put him back in there in safety, because he's just a little baby. Okay, what else do we have? We have manuals and boring stuff. Who reads manuals these days? It's called YouTube, people. Oh, safety guards. These are absolutely no use at all, because I'm a full-fledged experienced pilot of literally this little guy. So some might say I'm an expert, you know, bit of a maverick, bit of a Top Gun. Okay, so ooh, yeah, nice. See, so I paid extra. I bought the Fly More package, which means you get a nice bag to hold Wally, keep him safe, and you also get sort of more batteries, you know, that kind of thing, more flight time. I don't know what that is. Possibly the batteries. A battery. We have the remote. Oh wow, it's already on. It's thinking. It's communicating. It's sentient. Anyway, that's quite cool, quite nice. It feels nice and heavy and you know, good quality. So I'm Australian, for those who hadn't picked up already, although my accent is subtle, some might say. Oh, here are the batteries. So I don't know what that was. Maybe that's like, you know, whatevs. And we have power supply as well. Decent. Okay, so, you know, that's the unwrapping of Wally, you know, of baby Wally. As you can see, I'm a professional filmographer. Got little Wally here. Soon he'll be up and flying around, and you'll get some footage from all around Cambridge, around the world, Hawaii, outer space potentially, you know, although he is just a baby, so we'll see. But yeah.